So matters day, Malik Basintale Stormy EC. Omo Collation Center. Sisi ano mo movie they call Tessalon police training center. Now Malik Basintale and the boys Stormy Hall over the Collation. According to Malik Basintale, they are trying to steal their seats. Na aunt Nase Masadia no NC, of which I'll say Malik Basintale has to work on this. As agro, EC Jin Mensa, EC boss Jin Mensa, and in Crawford no, they are stealing, and it's no good. They are stealing. They can accumulate some seats beer, ebe make NDC not powerful, but omoya emfa NDC has the 2/3 majority, but yes, way they still want to get their MPs into power. Now, without much delay, I'm about to read some message from the camp of Malik Basintale. Miya, yibeti in semua MPP omwanka somu MP bako. Our Subin MP. Edin Sembia Betuja or Cheche Muse MPP ankasa sisiano, baby a party neduno. They need to reset things in a party. According to Subin MP, Ninsemo Diababetu Jano, or see they need to rebuild the party. So without much delay, let's begin from this side. Malik Basintale has made a couple of posts just some hours ago on a Facebook page. And according to Malik Basintale, or say they want to steal our seats. 5K men should be on standby. We will soon issue the command as to where we move. This is according to Malik Basintale. Or say, the MPP, or I say EC, Jane Mensa, and in Crawford, they want to steal the NDCs, their seats. And as to a result of that, 5,000 men should be on standby. After Malik Basintale make this post, and Chebia and also maybe make a post to say he is moving straight to the Tesano police training school. According to Malik Basintale, I say I am moving to the Tesano police training school now. I mean now. See you there. So at this point, you can tell say Malik Basintale now we issue a command. Our friend the boys and they say they should be ready. They should come. Now EC boss Jane Mensa and in Crawford or move fire and quine so wagadre quine so they are making sure say they steal some seats. This is the message Malik Basintale Edibeto. Few minutes now, Malik Basintale has made a post here. Ochechim said resolved. No recollation again. All comrades should retreat until further notice. Thank you all. This is the poster Malik Basintale Emeki Waha, and after so calling on the 5,000 men to be on standby. Now who say the MPP and the EC, they are trying to use ways and means. They are trying to use ways and means to still sit for their MPs. Malik Basintale so oh Masadi needs. You can tell say Malik Basintale is now the man of the moment. Operation Recover All Loot. Chairman is ready to do his job. But so until say Emomu ya seats no enfama MPP 4. So without much delay, I think say Malik Basintale has done what he has to do. Because if you are not careful, few days aka MPP 4 enemy, they are going to use their head on us. Make sure say they still and get the position they want. So without much delay, Yembambiti in somewhere Subin MP, and also Eddie Ababetuja what this side Subin MP. And time and campaign course so even before the elections, no not Subin MP or Exposi MPP for big time. The course were party ni mu anya no Subin MP no dini na eba mountain and there wakokopie mu UTV meche despite media no kokopie mu ho no wababeka nsem bi wa ha ochechum say MPP party no baby ekokodru no sisia ne de they need to rebuild the party. Mistakes on my head na no omunhwe no mun rebuild the party no enye sa nyade ebefa according to the Subin MP ninsemo to dwane yentie no
message driver say who you be akukodru fa kame se party wo na wo kasa ai bia obadwene se bia wo ka no kre pa enti obisa say saa nsem a wo kan no obi se ai se de e bia yawde bi na ewo muti na wo kasa ebi no so se who you be a wo ka no kre you say it as it is
na me better me di obi atem
the one you be atem
se di baka wo kasa gusa no Some better Makobi once.
There be on kind.
They are medical actually said me. We did 21 and Makwabruchiro. I don't need government to survive.
Okay.
It will be a bit anoni. It will be a bit anoni. More here's a man push. I'm back on the Mussolini, Moya Hamu. And because will be a better or a better assassin. As my try a bitterness been home. Your party, choir, a free 2017 about doing the Akoso, was also saying, you know what's happening? It won't be uncana. You ain't can't. Yes, me make us some more I'm friend. I'm friend.
There be.
The money platforms and make us a man.
Obisa, we need that land back.
The Pacona Semwa. Any opinion? Me say, baby, a tea, your flag bearer once a man.
It's a show of party structure, and it said, yeah, and Kugui, a baye. Mene, I should cry now. I am a party for by your show, so be a din coma, ye name Bibrina, you know, we didn't come near you. Otum said, a bit more. Oba could be sending message in an pay my main can message, you know, a brand new money critically sorry, newspaper review, no, said was kind of brought from Sana Pesanka mechanic paper, said a aha, or say, good morning, Aja. I just woke up from my slumber after the election. Tiso was kind of fire. Nanado and Kanufureta have destroyed our party. Who knows that?
Makacha say. My position on such matters, no, I think it's a ubi organa be any. Because ubi destroy bibia. E wakam office wakan. Media me say can frata na president has a son no. I'm why. Any did the more I be lose power no. Makan baby. E only about transanka. Media say the hear me how our party be see reflect our build our recapture. The omaye no. Yet me reverse no. E twem. And I yenu be yaka once a man will be because be a better no. Ye cano. Ebi a tie ni 2-1 amoa. Ebi ene ke jina dibia foforo. Ye tie no. And then people say ohwam etikopo. 20 and ohwam etikopo.
So what's the way forward now?
The way forward is to reflect. Results abano. Yem pay independent team. Omon transe. Omo assessment. Omi yung baby a to sing and oma ankoye yehuni na. They will rebuild. Rebuilding the here sangrofoni na. And I will be dino. Here will be as on the bank dia here party we in the papa for dia. In na ye dia. The kwembe faso be she party ni or party was be ya kono. Amagana for atoba my no. Enne ade ba ko a. Esi party ni bia na dwen koso. What I say? The figures in America say heads must roll. The figures na aba no and so any. So heads must roll. Now for Samra. Because a year in a coalition. And na 150 seats. And ne Bamia a president elector. And ka Ubia Bituno. Na man is also there any equally. Munesem take blame no. Na mo making mo kisa transition no. Na next year yami aduma. And you trace about to in many and started because ya massa no man many ya two police station for two constituency and yes all money na kasa no koso. In this year new leadership or map party in direction. What I say, it's no I asem tia kwamna. Obia for na also say we need to rebuild the party. And those people who have led us to where we are today cannot be part of the rebuilding process. They cannot be part of it. Unless, because if you do the same thing 100 times, you get the same results. In John Moy, they cannot be part of the rebuilding process. They must make way. And make way so that fresh minds, fresh faces will come, people with integrity, people with humility, and people with acceptability. What I say, winnable people who are going to make this party attractive for Ghana for so much. That's my Kenyano. We will be niasem. And no crep trodo na yeka actually Ghana for any MP before.
It's out of Senya Motia, no Subin MP, and ordinance Mababetuja, and what this side and idea, Wababe Canading. You know, say the Subin MP need there. I think say he's one of the MPs, sir. Or more, no, they are ever ready to come out with the truth. Subin MP. Do your best to subscribe, turn on the notification, share the video for more updates.